From advanced manufacturing to advanced intelligent manufacturing, technological innovation is reshaping our lives in a drastic way. The pursuit of technological innovation is the source of corporate vitality, making manufacturing more stable, efficient, accurate, and intelligent in our firm mission. Jirfine Intelligent Equipment Co. Limited is a national-level SRDI, Little Giant enterprise specializing in high-end CNC machine tools. It provides CNC intelligent equipment and technical support for strategic industrial fields such as aerospace, marine engineering, rail transit, automobiles, semiconductors, and consumer electronics, etc. Jirfine has strong R&D, manufacturing and delivery capabilities. Headquartered in Dongguan, Guangdong, with R&D centers and manufacturing operation bases in Nanjing, Jiangsu, and Yinchuan, Ningxia. Jirfine has world-class supply chain resources, forming technology leadership, industrial support, and complete supporting system. Technological innovation and independent research and development have always been the core competitiveness of Jirfine, and now has more than 150 independent intellectual property rights. Machine body, sheet metal, metal shields, and other core components have achieved independent design, independent production, independent intellectual property rights. In 2021, Jirfine was honored on the Pioneer List of Intelligent Manufacturing Science and Technology Innovation, showing the exemplary power of pioneering enterprises in science and technology innovation. As a pioneer in the CNC machine tool industry, Jirfine's product layout has achieved high-speed drilling and milling centers, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, vertical-horizontal compound machining centers, gantry machining centers, and CNC lathes, which fully meets the processing needs of different industries. After more than 10 years of market development, Jirfine has established a marketing service system that integrates user training, product sales, technical support, and after-sales service. More than 30 service outlets, covering more than 20 provinces and cities across the country, with a service team of nearly 300 people, dedicated to providing customers with comprehensive, convenient, and fast service support. Jirfine actively promotes the green upgrade of the industrial industry and independently initiates a comprehensive upgrade of the system. Each Jirfine machine tool saves 176 liters of chemical oil per year, which is equivalent to reducing carbon emissions by 400 kilograms and saving 1 ton of water resources, which responds to the National Strategic Development of 2035 carbon peak and carbon neutrality with practical actions. Jirfine insists on 3 core concepts of customer, quality, and technology, adheres to the business philosophy of customer-centered, result-oriented, striver-oriented, and pursuit of excellence, and is committed to building a century-old enterprise and leading the industry in CNC equipment provider. Jirfine provides customers with first-class intelligent CNC equipment and technical services, which helps more manufacturers significantly improve productivity, supports the high-quality development of China manufacturing industry, and upgraded the industry from made in China to intelligent made in China, moving from a manufacturing country to manufacturing powerful country. Above all, Jirfine will contribute its part. Jirfine makes manufacturing more stable, more accurate, more efficient, and more intelligent.